Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Sorry about the noise outside. I am actually not at home. I'm visiting my sister, but I had to pick up the camera because there is very exciting news with Apple. Number one is that they have announced when they're going to show all of the new products, and that's going to be September 12th, so I'm very excited about that. The other crazy thing is that there was a leak, and we have real images of what the Apple Watch 4 is going to look like, and also what looks to be the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Plus. So super pretty. I will put a picture on the screen right now so you can see their beautiful gold color. It's got a really awesome wallpaper that's like a planet type theme, very exciting. But what I want to focus on is the Apple Watch, because for me that's really like what I'm going to be you know, running to get and try to get as quickly as possible, because I'm super excited about it. And I currently love my Apple Watch Series 3, but I'm super excited to see and play with the Apple Watch 4. So there were a lot of rumors about reducing the bezel size, and that has happened. So we have now the edge-to-edge screen. There's a new watch face on there that shows about 8 complications, I believe it was, including a new one which is a UV sensor, so that's kind of interesting. We'll have to see how that works. And I'm also holding the camera just so you know I don't have it set on a thing, so I'm trying to make it as non-shaky and as steady as possible, so bear with me. The other really interesting thing that was also a rumor was that the side button on the Apple Watch is actually going to be more of a touch censored button now. So as you can see on the picture, it actually looks pretty flush with the entire side, so that's kind of cool. Also, between the crown and the button there is a small hole, which is believed to be a speaker. We'll see how that works. It's kind of a big hole, so we'll see. Very exciting. I love the new gold color. I think it's going to be great. I can't wait to wear it and, you know, wear it with jewelry and like not have to worry about making sure that everything looks good together. The other change aesthetically that it has done is that it is now more rounded. So it looks like it's going to be thinner. It looks like it's going to be more rounded. And exciting news is that the bands have not changed. It doesn't look like they've changed in size, so the bands that we currently have for our other models will be working with the new edition. So that's great news, because honestly I don't want to go and buy a whole bunch of new bands. The other thing that has changed is the red crown on the LTE version is now going to be a red stripe around it. A lot of people didn't like the red crown. I didn't really mind it. I actually do not have the LTE version right now, but it looks like it may be that it comes as a just a standard now. So we'll see. I'm not really sure. Certain countries do not allow the LTE, so that would be really interesting to see if now it's just kind of like the set version. One of the rumors that I'm very excited about is what's called the Stream Kit, and I forget exactly where I read this, but it had said something about now certain apps will be compatible with the Apple Watch that are not, such as Spotify, and I am a Spotify user, so I would like to be able to have a Spotify app on my watch, so hopefully that is something that we will see. Nothing was mentioned about that. Of course, because of this enormous, unbelievable leak. I can't even believe that this is happening. Anyway, I'm excited to see what other things are going to be available on the event. We now know what it's going to look like. I just can't wait to see what other things are going to be on there. There's rumors to have better Siri connectivity, so I'm interested to see if that's going to actually be true with the change of where the speaker is, if that is in fact the speaker. Also, it's going to be faster, have better battery life, all of those things. I'm very excited to see how that's all going to play out, all of the rumors that have been around for a little while. If you like this video, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps with my channel more than you know, and be sure to hit that bell notification so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. As soon as I can get my hands on the Apple Watch 4, I will do so, and I'm going to do a whole bunch of videos on that, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss anything. I like to make my life easier with it, and I want to show you guys how I use it and tips and tricks like I have in the past, so very excited about that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.